to our AI for Product Managers series. Today we are delving into the realm of innovation, exploring techniques that goes beyond the ordinary. Join me as we uncover how AI can supercharge ideation for product managers, sparking creativity and groundbreaking ideas. So without further ado, let's begin. So ideation is the heartbeat of innovation, and with the infusion of AI, we have the power to take creativity to unprecedented heights. Let me start with AI enhanced ideation. So it's just not about thinking outside the box, it's about expanding the box with the help of artificial intelligence. Let's unravel how AI can revolutionize ideation, providing a powerful toolkit for product managers. In the dynamic landscape of product management, ideation requires agility and innovation. So here are some practical tips for infusing AI into your ideation process. Let's start with brainstorming sessions. So you can elevate your traditional brainstorming with AI generated ideas. You can leverage ChatGPT or custom GPT. I'm starting with the basics, which can help you provide a wealth of creative suggestions, acting as a catalyst for your ideation process. Alright, so my next recommendation would be to utilize AI algorithms for market trend analysis. You can use platforms like trend watching or spit analysis market trends. Both of these platforms are great tools for product managers to stay ahead of the curve and ideate based on emerging market patterns. Alright, so next I like to talk about concept co-creation with AI. So you can engage in concept co-creation with AI algorithms. Tools like IBM Watson Studio enables collaborative concept creation, enabling human intuition with machine-generated insights. A killer combination indeed. Alright, so next let's talk about how you can take help of AI to associate different ideas. So you can foster idea associations with the guidance of AI. Platforms like Miro or IdeaNote use AI to suggest related concepts, helping product managers to connect seemingly very different ideas for innovative outcome. The last point I like to touch upon in this video would be to invest in data-driven ideation platform that embrace employee suggestions and market trends. Basically, it combines all of this together and provide a data-driven approach to the ideation process. One example of such platform would be Sideways 6. It's a great data-driven platform, data-driven AI platform which combines the employee suggestion as well as the market trends and kind of provides a holistic data-driven approach to the ideation process. By incorporating these AI-powered techniques, product managers can amplify their ideation processes, leading to generation of innovative and impactful ideas for their products. With this, we come to the end of this video. If you found the video helpful, do give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos where we will continue to explore the dynamic synergy between AI, design thinking, and product management. Until then, take care and bye-bye.